Welcome back to my channel. Recently, while scrolling through Facebook, I stumbled upon an adorable video of tiny forest creatures hiding from the rain. It inspired me to try creating a similar video using AI. To do this, I customized a special version of GPT called Image Copy Machine GPT. This tool is specifically set up to recreate and add unique twists to images. It even allows you to generate prompts from any image or design. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to use this customized tool, along with some editing software, to create a charming video from beautiful images. Let's get started. Step 1. Finding and preparing images. To begin, we need some cute, whimsical images of small forest animals. You can search online using keywords like whimsical nature photography, cute snails and frogs in rain, tiny creatures with leaf umbrellas. I found some sample images from a random video online. If you'd like to use similar images, feel free to reach out to me. Once you have your images, it's time to move to the next step, using my customized GPT tool to create similar images with a unique touch. Step 2. Creating similar images with Image Copy Machine GPT. Now access Image Copy Machine GPT at the link below the video. Simply upload your sample images or add a detailed description, and GPT will generate similar images with some creative variations. This makes each image feel fresh and dynamic, adding life to your video. With my customized GPT, you can even request prompts to refine the style or change the subject entirely. For example, switch snails to ladybugs, grasshoppers, or mantises. This tool is perfect for creating consistent images with a unique twist that matches your creative vision. Step 3. Adding motion effects with Kling AI. After downloading the images, you'll need to convert them to JPG or PNG format. You can use a free tool like Format Factory to do this. Once your images are ready, open Kling to add gentle motion effects. Go to Kling's homepage, select the AI Video tab, and click on Image to Video. Upload your images to Kling and enter a simple prompt, such as a praying mantis moving in the rain, or 2 frogs sheltering from the rain. You can also add effects like zoom, pan, or light adjustments in the prompt to create depth and make the scene more dynamic. Additionally, try adding rain or snow effects to bring the images to life. Adjust the motion speed to keep it natural, so the characters look lively within the scene. Just add these details to the prompt in your own language, and Kling will handle the rest. This step is crucial for making your video feel realistic and captivating. Step 4. Compiling the images into a video with CapCut next. We'll bring everything together in CapCut. Open CapCut and upload all the motion-enhanced images. Arrange the images in the desired sequence and adjust the display time for each one. Add light transitions to create a smooth flow. CapCut is very user-friendly, letting you arrange and polish the video quickly for a seamless result. Step 5. Adding music and sound effects. Background music is essential for setting the mood. Choose soft music or rain sounds to match the natural feel of the visuals. In CapCut, you can pick from available tracks or upload your own. Add sound effects like rustling leaves or raindrops to make the video feel more lively and natural. Good sound will make your video more enjoyable and engaging. Step 6. Review and export the video. Finally, review your video to ensure everything is perfect, from visuals to sound and effects. When you're happy with it, export the video in high quality for the best image clarity. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you easily create adorable videos from images. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Links to my customized GPT and related resources are in the comments below. Good luck, and see you in the next video.